Welcome all of you. Good morning. Myself Rupali Mahajan. We will see a beautiful poem. You know student, there are various animals in the water and earth. Today we will learn a poem. How doth the little busy bee and parody. So we get the information about Isaac Watt. This poem is written by Isaac Watt. He was born 17 July 1674, Southampton, United Kingdom. He died 24 November 1748, London, UK. Notable work. He was an English Christian minister, hymn writer, theologian and logician. He was periodic and popular hymn writer. He is credited with some 1750 hymn. He is recognized as the godfather of English hymn. Hymn means religious song or praise of God. So now we will read the poem. How doth the little busy bee? How doth the little busy bee improve the each shining hour and gather honey all the day from every opening flower? How skillful she build her cell, how neat she spread her wax, and labor hard to store it well. With the sweet food she makes. Isaac Watt. Now we will explain the first stanza. In this poem there are two stanzas. First, in this poem, the poet explains about a bee. The poet tells us about the bee who is always busy in his work and he works even harder as the day goes by. She is gathering honey from one flower to another flower and really hard work them. Now we will see the second stanza. How skillful she builds her cell, how neat she spread her wax, and labors hard to store it well. With the sweet food she makes. Now we will explain the second stanza. The poet tells us that the female honeybee skillful builds the cell inside the honeycomb and she neatly spread the wax, makes the honey from the nectar and works hard to store it very well. Nectar means a part of that attract insect which the flower. So now we will see the difficult words from the poem. First word is gather. Gather means collect. Second is doth means does. Old English word. Then labors means work. And cell means honey comb. So now we will see the second poem. A parody means how doth the little crocodile. First, this poem is written by Lewis Carroll. He was born 17 January 1832, Daresbury, England. He was died 14 January 1898, Guildford, England. His notable work, Alice's Adventure in Wonderland, Through the Looking Glass, The Hunting of Snarky. So, we will see the poem. How doth the little crocodiles means a parody. Parody means comical way of the poem. Now we will read a poem. How doth the little crocodile improve his shining tail and pour the water of the Nile on every golden scale. Second stanza. How cheerful he seems to grin, how neatly spread his claws, and welcome to little fish in with the gentle smiling jaws. So, we will explain the first stanza. In this poem, the poet tells us about the comparison between crocodile and bee. Let us know about the first stanza. The poet is talking about the crocodile that he lives in the river Nile. He tells us that the crocodile improves his looks by pouring water on his body, which make it shine and the scale. appear golden under the rays of the sun, and will make him look very attractive to the fishes that he wants to prey on. So now we will see second stanza. How cheerful he seems to grin, how neatly spread his claws, and welcome to little fishes in with a gently smiling jaws. Now let's know about the second stanza. The crocodile cheerfully grin and smiles, but his smile is a mask. He put to his hide his real intention of attracting the fishes. Behind the fake smile is the beast, neatly spreading his claws, all the while luring and waiting for an opportunity to strike at the innocent little fishes that may come to exchange the pleasantries with him. So now we'll see the difficult words from the poem. Parody means a comical way of poem. Second word, green means smile. And last word is shining bright. Scale means a hard plate of protect to the skin of fish or water reptiles. And now means in this poem the poet have to comparison between crocodile and bee. So what is the conclusion of the poem? The poet is warning us to be very careful while dealing with others and not to get carried away by the sweet smile or attractive looks. So message from the poem. Bee and crocodile both are not gentle, but the bee can sting and crocodile can be bite. However, the bee is very hardworking and useful, whereas the crocodile is very lazy and dangerous. So we will see the poem How does the little busy bee and parody. So thank you all of you.